A sluggish throttle doesn't always mean an expensive mechanic visit. In this video, I'll guide you through 3 straightforward methods to reset your throttle position sensor. Each method suits different situations, so you'll know exactly which solution fits your vehicle. Every step will be clear, and I'll highlight common mistakes to avoid along the way. Start with the easiest method, but stay for the third one. It's the most dependable when nothing else works. Method 1. Basic ignition reset. This approach works for most modern vehicles. It's perfect when your car feels sluggish, the throttle responds poorly, or the engine idles strangely without triggering any error codes. Here's how to do it. Begin by parking your vehicle safely and turning it completely off. Remove the key from the ignition and take a moment before proceeding. There's no need to rush through this process. Insert the key again, but don't start the engine. Simply turn it to the on position so your dashboard warning lights illuminate. Seeing those lights come on is completely normal, so don't be alarmed. Now move to the accelerator pedal. Slowly press it down toward the floor, taking approximately 4 seconds to reach the bottom. Once fully pressed, hold that position for 3 seconds. Rushing this part is a common mistake people make. Smooth and controlled movement is what produces the best results. The entire press and hold sequence takes roughly 7 seconds total. Next, gently release the pedal just as slowly as you pressed it. Allow about 4 seconds to lift your foot completely off. Then repeat this entire sequence. Press, hold, and release 2 more times. Completing all 3 repetitions matters, because skipping any cycle can prevent the reset from working correctly. After finishing, turn the ignition key to the off position and remove it. Wait approximately 10 seconds before doing anything else. Finally, reinsert the key and start your engine. Pay close attention to how it responds. Does it rev more smoothly? Does the throttle feel more reactive when you press the pedal? A noticeable improvement confirms the reset was successful. Method 2. Battery disconnect reset. This method works best for vehicles equipped with electronic throttle control systems, particularly when the basic ignition reset didn't deliver results. Always exercise caution when handling your battery terminals. Follow these steps carefully. Park your vehicle on level ground and shut off the engine completely. Open the hood and find the battery. Using an appropriate wrench, loosen the nut securing the negative terminal. That's the black cable. Once loose, carefully remove the cable from the battery post. Make absolutely certain the metal end doesn't contact any surrounding surfaces, as this could cause an unwanted short circuit. Leave the battery disconnected for 5 to 10 minutes. This waiting period allows the vehicle's electrical system to fully discharge and reset any stored memory. Reconnect the negative cable and tighten the nut securely. Insert your key and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Allow the dashboard to complete its self-check sequence. Start the engine and let it idle undisturbed for 10 to 15 minutes. Avoid pressing the accelerator during this period. The system needs calm, uninterrupted time to recalibrate itself properly. Once the idle period ends, turn the engine off and restart it. Check whether the throttle response has improved noticeably. Method 3. Throttle position sensor reprogramming. This advanced method addresses severe throttle position sensor problems, situations following a throttle body replacement, or persistent error codes directly linked to the sensor. Before attempting this, check our recommended video in the description to confirm your TPS shows signs of serious failure. Understanding those symptoms beforehand saves valuable time. Also, if you're uncomfortable working around sensors and electrical components, consider getting assistance to prevent accidental damage. Here's the complete process. Ensure the engine is fully cold before starting. A warm or hot engine creates unnecessary risk during this procedure. Disconnect the negative battery cable using your wrench and wait 2 full minutes before reconnecting it. After reconnecting, insert the key and turn it to the on position. Again, without starting the engine. Step toward the front of the vehicle and listen carefully near the throttle body area. You should hear a faint buzzing or clicking sound. This indicates the throttle body is actively learning its correct position. Allow this process to continue uninterrupted for 3 to 5 minutes until the sound fades completely. Turn the ignition to off and remove the key. Then, start the engine and allow it to idle quietly for 10 to 15 minutes. This idle period is essential for the system to properly adjust and store its new calibration settings. Finish by taking your car on a brief test drive. Notice whether the throttle responds smoothly and predictably throughout different speeds. Keeping your throttle body clean. After successfully resetting your throttle position sensor, maintaining a clean throttle body is equally important. Clean it approximately every 20,000 kilometers to prevent buildup from affecting engine performance. One critical warning: never use carburetor cleaner, paint thinner, or gasoline on the throttle body. These substances damage protective coatings and cause long-term harm. Instead, choose a dedicated throttle body cleaner for safe, effective results. A link to a recommended product is available in the description below. You now have 3 reliable methods to reset your throttle position sensor confidently. To stay ahead of future problems, watch our next video covering the warning symptoms of a failing throttle position sensor. Recognizing those signs early could save you from significant repair costs down the road. Tap the link now to watch it.